should start now. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gunjan. I'm lifestyle and design creator on YouTube. Yes, so if you are new, please you know what you have to do. Just go and subscribe to my channel. So this video is about Nike AF1, that is Air Force One. So I'm very much new to this sneaker thing. So firstly, where I got my first sneaker, from where I got, so my first sneaker was from Nike itself, of course, but I was not aware. I just wore them. That was a very basic one, not like a very good one. They were Air Max. It's hard to get sneakers around 2 to 3k, except that Converse or if it's Vans. So how I started, so I started watching YouTube videos, and a girl called Anna Sharma, I think उसका नाम सही, like I started talking with her like about sneakers in India, because I think she is a very trustable source when it comes to sneakers. And the best part is she's very honest person, I can say honest and very raw person, and I personally love such kind of people. So I'll just add her in someone sneakerhead or someone who is interested in streetwear in India. So yeah, just go ahead. You will find many Instagram pages right now. Some are trustable, some are definitely not. So from my experience, one account with 30k followers, not gonna lie, 30k followers, they are selling duplicates. I'll never recommend you to trust these sources. This sneaker is made from trash. This sneaker is made from trash. If I'm saying it, I'm like, they are beauty, they are freaking beauty. Some of the Instagram pages I know you can trust, I will add their names. Started, yes, they are made from trash with silver logo. These are the beauty. I can't kiss them because my lipstick lagi. So these are the pairs, very beautiful, and how they look. Offer like in a pastel color, you can see here, if you can see them closely, and I think neon color with blue going well. So I ordered one Converse also. They are very basic. I'll just put its picture. I ordered that too with this, and this they were for 10,000, and Nike charges you around 700 plus shipping charge if you are ordering from. I just ordered a wrong size. So what happened with me, I ordered wrong size, so I just called them up. Freaking kind to me, freaking kind. She told me she's providing me a coupon code which will like मेरे 700 माइनस हो जाएंगे उस मनी में से. ग्रैब डील, लाइक वेरी गुड डील. I was going for pure like that white one, pure white, and but I thought कि मैं बहुत ही messy person हूँ, मैं उसको ख़राब कर दूँगी. So I thought no I can't. So what is the procedure? Firstly, you have to pay 700 shipping, and there is no customs you have to pay if you are ordering from Nike India. So make sure you are ordering from Nike India, and they come from Singapore basically. And so yeah, so at least think कि 10 दिन लगेंगे आने में. They'll send you a form, you have to fill that. उसमें आपको आपकी डिटेल्स भरनी है, आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, आपका बिल, और just a basic knowledge that कि आप जिसको वो सेंड कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ लाइक अ राइट पर्सन. हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो प्लीज़ जस्ट यू नो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. प्लीज़ जस्ट गो अहेड. एंड अगर मेरे को कुछ एड ऑन कुछ करना होगा दैट आई एड इन डिस्क्रिप्शन, बिकॉज आई थिंक इफ आई होप मैं कुछ मिस ना करूँ, इसलिए मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी अगर कुछ एड ऑन होगा इसमें. तो दैट्स माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. आपका एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंस हो सकता है, एंड इन इंस्टाग्राम पेजेस को आप ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं. इनके अलावा अगर कोई इंस्टाग्राम पेजेस है, आई डोंट नो, बट प्लीज़, स्नीकर्स आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. प्लीज़ जस्ट चेक, बिकॉज समटाइम्स डुप्लीकेट्स आने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस होते हैं. सो एंड आई एम नॉट समवन हु जस्ट हाइप डुप्लीकेट products, so I'm not someone. So